In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card on Rocket Money, whether you're a new user looking to understand the platform or a longtime member preparing to optimize your financial tracking. This guide will help you navigate through the process with ease and confidence. First, let's start by heading over to Rocket Money. Open your preferred internet browser and type in the official Rocket Money website URL. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. Look for the sign in button typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and log in with your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you might need to do that first by following the on-screen instructions for new users. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Rocket Money dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll see a variety of options, but for our purposes today, locate and click on credit cards. There should be an option labeled Add Plus, which indicates where you can add a new credit card. By clicking this, you'll be redirected to Rocket Money's secure account linking portal, which is powered by Plaid. Plaid is a well-known service that provides secure linkage of your financial data, and rest assured this process is designed to be safe and efficient. Next, it's time to choose your bank. You'll see a search bar where you can type in the name of your bank. Whether it's Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, or any other institution, go ahead and type it in. Once it appears on the list, simply tap on your bank to proceed to the next step. If your bank doesn't appear immediately, make sure to type its full name and check for any spelling mistakes. After selecting your bank, click on Continue. This will bring you to the step where you'll log in securely using your online banking credentials. This is a crucial step where you might be prompted to follow your bank's two-factor authentication processes to ensure your account's security. Remember, Rocket Money uses encrypted, read-only access to maintain the security of your data, so your information is safe. Now that you've entered your credentials and passed any required security checks, it's time to select which accounts you want to link. You can choose one or multiple checking, savings, or credit accounts to connect. Be sure to tap Continue to confirm your selections. Finally, verify the connection. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money will automatically sync your transactions, allowing you to monitor and manage your finances with ease. To ensure everything is set up correctly, return to the Linked Accounts section and check that your bank account shows as connected. And there you have it. With these steps, you can seamlessly add a credit card to Rocket Money and take full advantage of its features to manage your financial health more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to follow us for more tips and guides. Thank you for watching,